The next verb that we're going to learn is the verb lirtzot in Hebrew. The verb lirtzot is the verb to want. And now let's see how do we conjugate the verb lirtzot in the present tense. So the verb to want, just like all verbs in Hebrew, as we already know, has only 4 conjugations. One for masculine singular, one for feminine singular, one for masculine plural, and one for feminine plural. The verb lirtzot conjugates like that. Masculine singular, אני רוצה, אתה רוצה, הוא רוצה. I want, you want, he wants. Feminine singular, אני רוצה, את רוצה, היא רוצה. I want, you want, she wants. Masculine plural, אנחנו רוצים, אתם רוצים, הם רוצים. We want, you guys want, they want. Feminine plural, אנחנו רוצות, אתן רוצות, הן רוצות. We want, you girls want, they want. לרצות, רוצה, רוצה, רוצים, רוצות. Write that verb in your notebooks, and I'll see you in the next lecture.